I like how the sink is on this little medium part.
Technically, with this, we wouldn't even really need a table because this could be our table.
Is there a dishwasher?
Yeah, it's right
Oh, there it is. Get that. It's got a good amount of cabinetry.
Yeah, that's all I carpet.
So this will be a little different for us since we'd be on the 3rd floor.
Yes.
A little walk-in closet.
So it looks quite beautiful.
It has a really nice bathroom.
Oh, it's a glass one, and the backsplash is quite beautiful.
Hello.
So, stop it. Anyways, this is nice. Oh no, this is the washing dryer.
This is a hot water heater and everything.
Okay, washing dryer.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's actually convenient. It's out the way. Yeah, that was the master.
Yeah. Oh.
Like, technically, everything's the master for us. So, it'd be everything. This one has the bathtub, so if you ever wanted that, we'd have to get our own shower curtain. But
Yeah, that's straight. And then they got. So, did the other bathroom have that?
I
I
don't
don't
know.
think so.
We can go back and look after
It's a
this.
small-ish bathtub, but
Breaker
it's not
box?
like we don't have to do it too much, you know?
Breaker box is right here, which is useful.
Smaller room, yeah.
No.
Yes.
It's pretty good. What, no, no?
Yeah, it's not bad, you know?
No, this is going to be the gate room and stuff.
Wow. Was the other closet even a walk?
Yeah. Wasn't this big, but...
It's
a
alright.
walk-in.
I assume I'll probably be
Actually
putting
think
a lot
I-
of my stuff in
I
here.
think it was longer, but not as wide.
What's